Okay, this is for a packet for Monday, 9/28. We're going to look at the first page. We have the A hat. We have a capital A or uppercase A. We have a lowercase a. Then we have apple, axe, airplane, artichoke. Artichoke is a vegetable that you steam and then you put the leaf in your mouth and you pull out the leaf so that the inside of the leaf stays in your mouth. Then there's apron. It's what you wear when you cook or do messy activities like paint. Acorn and anchor. An anchor keeps a boat where they want it in the ocean because there's nowhere to tie the boat somewhere. So they drop the anchor and the anchor goes into the ground and keeps the boat from moving. So what you're going to do is you're going to color in the A, the capital A and the lowercase a. Then you're going to trace each of the words. So as I trace the A for apple, I'm going to say A, and then the P, L, E, apple. I'm going to say the word as I finish tracing it. I'm going to say each of the letters. A, P, L, E. I'm tracing it. I'm saying it. Then axe. A-X-E. A, X, E, axe. Some people spell axe A-X, which is also acceptable. Either one works. The next one is airplane. A-I-R, which is air, and then plane. P-L-A-N-E. So I'm going to do the same thing. As I trace, I'm going to say each of the letters so that I can remember them. So A-I-R is air, and then P-L-A-N-E, plane, airplane. I can also say their sounds. So if I was looking at apple, as I write, I could say A-P-O. The E is actually silent. We don't hear the E for apple. Axe is A-X-E, axe. We actually don't hear the E. Then airplane, A, which A-I says A. When there's two vowels together, the first one usually does the talking. So air, P, there's another one that's a vowel at the end. We're going to learn all those rules later. Airplane. Then we have artichoke. A, R, T, I, C, H, O, K, E. Artichoke. Then airplane, or sorry, apron. A, P, R, O, N. Apron. Then acorn. A, C, O, R, N. Acorn. Anchor. A-N-C-H-O-R. Anchor. So after I've traced them and set each of the letters as I trace, then I'm going to color the pictures. Make sure that you're tracing the words, not just coloring the pictures. This activity is for you to have practice writing the letters, so it is very important that you're tracing the letters and saying them to yourself. You can pause it and trace each of the letters. Okay, now that you have all of the letters traced, you can color the pictures. You can pause it and color the pictures. I am not going to color my pictures because I want to save some time. But what we're going to do now is you're going to take it and see the dotted line. You're going to cut on that dotted line. So I'm going to cut through. So I'm cutting that first part off. Then I'm going to go down the bottom. cutting on the dotted line. Then I'm going to go to the other side and cut on the dotted line. When you get to the top part, you may need help from a parent because the circle part can get kind of tricky. So what I do is I cut both of the areas, the straight areas. So I have a part there and I have a part there. And then if an adult wants to try to help, but if I would like you to try on your own. And it's okay if you cut too much off. It's just paper. So then you'll have something that looks like this. And then you're going to cut on the dotted line right between the two lines. So you have pieces like this. And then you can staple them or you can tape them together to make your hat. There's your hat. And then whoever comments on your hat, you can tell them all the words that you just learned while doing your hat. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Have a great day.